Today's push-up variation is slalom push-ups. For slalom push-ups, you'll be bringing your knees up in between your arms at the top of each rep, and then shooting them out at a 45-degree angle on the way down, alternating sides on each rep. If you'd like to make this one a little easier, rather than doing that sliding motion while pushing up, you can perform the full push-up at the 45-degree angle. Then slide the knees up in between your arms, shoot them back out on the other side, and do your next push-up there. That way you can work separately on the push-up and the leg motion, and then eventually you put them back together as you get stronger and more comfortable with the movement. If you'd like to add a bit of additional challenge, instead of shooting the legs out at a 45-degree angle, you're going to aim them almost straight out to the sides instead, with your feet spread a bit apart. This means you'll also eliminate that pause at the top of each push-up, which has the added bonus of adding a bit more cardio challenge to the movement as well. Good luck. Let us know how this one goes for you in the comments below, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. I'm David Posnick with Posnick Training. We'll see you soon.